Joyful adventure audits, come join the ride. Joyful adventure.
Welcome back to Joyful Adventure Audits. Today we're still cruising down Moseley Road in Birmingham, but hold on to your hard hats, folks, because we've stumbled upon something truly special. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another abandoned building? Come on, you're breaking my heart. But trust me, this isn't your average boarded-up building. We're looking at the Grade 2 * listed Moseley Road Baths and the neighboring Balsall Heath Library. And let me tell you, these buildings aren't abandoned. They're getting a £32.7 million makeover. Let's dive into some history, shall we? Moseley Road Baths opened its doors way back in 1907. Now, get this. It's the only pre-1914 swimming pool in the entire country that's been continuously open for swimming since day one. Talk about endurance. But it hasn't always been smooth sailing. In 2003, the Gala pool had to close, and there were fears that the whole place might shut down for good. But the people of Birmingham weren't having it. A coalition of community groups, the city council, and heritage organizations came together with a plan. Fast forward to December 2021 and boom. £15.5 million of government levelling up funding was allocated to kickstart this incredible restoration project. But that's not all, folks. Historic England, the World Monuments Fund, and others chipped in to bring the total to a whopping £32.7 million. Now, I know it looks a bit worse for wear at the moment. There's work taking place everywhere, and it's all boarded up. But don't worry, this is all part of the plan. The first phase of work started in August 2024, and it's going to be a doozy. We're talking major roof and facade repairs, a brand new cafe in the old slipper baths, and even the installation of renewable energy systems. They're not just preserving history here, they're making it sustainable for the future. And it's not just the baths getting a facelift. The Balsall Heath Library next door, which has been serving the community since 1895, is also part of this grand plan. They're even going to physically connect the two buildings. Talk about a power couple. Now, I've got a challenge for you history detectives out there. We know a lot about the baths, but information about the library is a bit scarce. If you've got any memories, photos, or stories about the Balsall Heath Library, drop them in the comments below. Let's piece together the full history of this amazing place. The best part? This isn't just about preserving old buildings. It's about breathing new life into the heart of this community. When the project's finished in spring 2025, we'll have a state-of-the-art swimming facility, community spaces, and a modernized library, all while keeping the Edwardian charm that makes this place so special. Before they closed for renovations, community groups were already using the restored areas for yoga classes and English lessons. Imagine what they'll be able to do when the whole place is up and running. So there you have it, folks. What looks like abandonment is actually the cocoon stage of an incredible transformation. Moseley Road Baths and Balsall Heath Library aren't just buildings, they're a £32.7 million time capsule, preserving the past while building for the future. If you're as excited about this project as I am, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join me on more urban adventures. And hey, if you've got any memories of swimming here or using the library, share them in the comments. Let's keep this history alive. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, sometimes what looks like an ending is just the beginning of a whole new chapter. This is Joyful Adventure Audits, signing off from Moseley Road. See you on the next adventure.
Pages and pools, memories old, Birmingham's jewels, stories told, standing so proud since '07, scaffolding high, reaching heaven. Balsall Heath's pride, legacy alive. Moseley Road's hard, together we'll strive. Swim in the past, books in our hands, history's cast in these lands. Libraries glow, arts that endure, cultural flow, rich and pure. Balsall Heath's pride, legacy alive. Moseley roads hard, together we'll strive. Balsall Heath's pride, legacy alive.
Echoes and splashes ring so clear from days of grandeur we hold dear. Moseley Road, where memories flow in waters deep, where hearts do glow. And warning grace in every tile, through every splash and every smile. History whispers in these walls, a phoenix rises as it calls. Millions invested, no compromise. Moseley Road, a gem that never dies. Echoes linger in the waves, a timeless treasure this place saves. Generations through the years, laughter mingles with our tears. From dawn to dusk in water's grace, a haven here for every face. Millions invested, no compromise. Moseley Road, a gem that never dies. Echoes linger in the waves, a timeless treasure this place saves. In every ripple, stories rise, a heritage that never lies, bringing life where time had stilled, a monument of love rebuilt.